Hello. In this lesson, we will practice how to write in cursive two Russian letters to sound M and L. They're very, very easy to write down. So you remember how do we begin? We start with M. First, we draw two horizontal lines, so header and baseline, and then we draw two main slant angle lines, something like that. So we need it for orientation. You remember, we will try to keep all our letters between such these horizontal lines, and we would like to keep this angle, so main slant angle. So how to drive M? Here we will use first time, I call it the left-sided hook. You remember I mentioned in my first lesson, I mentioned right-sided hook. Now we draw this left-sided hook. And believe me, we are going to use this hook very, very often. So we drive this hook. After that, I will drive kind of underturn, something like that. And then I finish with my right-sided hook, which I mentioned before, this one. So as you see, I still keep my M between two horizontal lines, and I keep this angle. So once again, I start from bottom. I go to top. So this is my hook, this is underturn, and this is the next hook. And once again. So this is M, sound M. I guys strongly recommend you to practice with it. So pause my video and write at least 10 20 such M, and always pronounce loud, say loud M, M, so that you memorize that this is the Russian lowercase M. After you finish, you can go back to video. Okay, let's write the first word with M. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to connect M to vowel R. We practiced with vowel R in our first lesson. Okay, so we start with M. So I write my M, and you see this right-sided hook. It has already connected a connecting point. So I will connect my oval for R to this connecting point, and I will finish with a right-sided hook again. So this is Ma, first syllables. So now what I need to do, I just need to write again the same syllable. So I will start from my connection point, starting drawing my M, and then I will finish it with oval for R, and I will finish with right-sided hook. So this is mama. Again, so now you can pause the video and try to write at least 10 times the same word mama and pronounce it loudly. Always try to keep all your letters between two horizontal lines and keep this angle, so mama. Okay, practice with this, and then you can go back to my video. So next letter is letter L. Very easy to write. So what I'm going to do, you remember when I showed you this beginning, how do we write, how do we start the letter M? So I will use the same left-sided hook, but then I will finish it with right-sided hook, like that. So this is Russian L. You don't have this letter in English alphabet, so that's why I really recommend you to practice with this. Try to keep this angle, try to keep your L between two horizontal lines, and drive and write at least 20 letters L, and always say loud L, like that. L, L. Okay, pause my video, practice with L. When you finish, go back to my video. Now I choose the first word, Russian word. I would like to connect M and A and L together. So the word says mal, and this is in Russian, in English meaning is kind of little or small. For example, ребенок мал, so child is very small, child is very little. Mal. So I start with M, left-sided hook, underturn, right-sided hook. Then I connect my oval, A, R, ma. And then I start with this at the bottom with this connecting point, and I connect my l. So this is mal, mal. Now your turn. Practice with this word. Try to write it at least 10 times and always say it loudly, mal. So very important with this l at the end because this is absolutely new for you. So you have to memorize that this is the Russian l, mal, mal. Okay, practice, pause my video, and when you finish with practicing, click on play and continue watching. So next word I choose, it's kind of word not so very often used in Russian. This is pinch bar. So this is the picture. A casting in iron, it's practically a tool. So builders use this lom. Lom. I just choose this word because I want you guys to connect l and o and m together in one word. We start with l. So you remember how to do it. Left-sided hook, right-sided hook, and then we connect our oval. Oval, low. Next, if you want, you can use a connector. You remember this very short dash. I practically connect my m to o, like that. And this is my word lom, lom. So now your turn. Please practice with this word. Please write it down at least 10 times and always say loudly when you finish, say lom. Okay, try to keep all your characters, all your letters between two horizontal lines. Always keep this angle. And when you finish, you can go to my next lesson. Bye bye.